Have you ever felt hurt? So deeply that you just couldn't forgive someone? Your chest feels heavy, your smile disappears, and your heart whispers, "Never again." This is the story of a little girl named Lila, of a broken gift, a heavy feeling, and how she learned that forgiveness can set your heart free. Lila lived in a quiet town, where gardens bloomed and sunbeams danced. She had a best friend named Mia, and a treasure she loved more than anything, a music box, shaped like a star, a birthday gift from Grandma. It played a tune so magical, it felt like the sky was singing. One afternoon, Lila and Mia twirled through the garden. Mia picked up the star box. She spun with joy, too fast. Crash. The star hit the stone path. It cracked. The music stopped. So did something inside Lila. Her eyes filled with tears. Her hands clutched the broken star. Her voice didn't shout, but her heart screamed, "I'll never forgive her." From that day on, Lila changed. She didn't smile, not at Mia, not at butterflies, not even at the stars. The anger stayed, heavy, quiet, cold. One evening, her mother sat beside her and asked gently, "Why do you look so tired, sweetheart?" Lila whispered, "Mia broke my music box, and I'm never talking to her again." Her mother didn't scold. She simply handed Lila a small shoe. Inside it, a tiny stone. "Put it on," she said softly. "Just walk." So Lila did. 1 step, 2 steps. Ouch! The stone poked her heel. Each step, it hurt more. Her mother asked, "How does that feel?" "Awful!" Lila cried. "It really hurts." Her mom knelt beside her and said something Lila would never forget. "That stone is like the anger you're holding inside. It doesn't hurt Mia anymore. It only hurts you." Lila stood still. She looked at the stone in her hand. So small, yet it had ruined her whole walk. She thought of Mia's scared face, the way she said, "I'm so sorry." Lila closed her eyes and let the stone go. That evening, Lila found Mia sitting under the big tree, quiet, alone. Lila walked up and wrapped her in a hug. "I forgive you." Mia's eyes widened. "Really?" Lila smiled. "Yes, because holding on to anger feels worse than letting it go." The girls sat together, laughing, talking. Then Mia brought out the broken music box. Together, they fixed it, with glitter glue, with tape, and with love. And when they turned the key, the music played again, even more magical than before. As the sun set, they sat side by side, the repaired star box glowing in their hands. Because when love returns, the heart begins to heal. Let's remember what Lila discovered. Sometimes we carry anger like a stone in our shoe. It pokes, it hurts. But we don't let it go, until one day we realize forgiveness isn't about saying the hurt didn't matter. It's about choosing peace over pain. So, if you've ever felt that heavy stone in your heart, stop, breathe, and drop it. Because peace is always lighter to carry. Let's learn the word meanings. Forgive to let go of anger, even if someone hurt you. Grudge, saying angry at someone for a long time. Apologize, saying I'm sorry with your heart. Peace, a calm, happy feeling inside. Have you ever carried a little stone of anger? Maybe it's time to forgive. Write a kind message, say I'm sorry, or simply smile. Because when you choose forgiveness, you choose freedom. And when your heart feels light again, you shine like a star. If this story helped your heart feel a little lighter, share it with someone who needs it. And for more stories that help you grow, like, subscribe, and join the journey, one story at a time. You got this.